The most underutilized SEO tool for any business might very well be YouTube. I think when most businesses think of YouTube, they think of influencers or tutorials or people way more outgoing than they are. This doesn't necessarily have to be the case. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, and I personally see it as an underutilized asset a business can use to gain a foothold in organic SEO. Hello, I'm Nicholas Egner, creative technologist. And today, I'm going to show you the 3 parts that create what I like to call the video SEO trifecta. Step 1, make a video. This video can be a talking head, just like this. Talk about something from your real client work, something that hits the Google EEAT. Now shoot that video. I'm using OBS Studio. Now you have a little video nugget to share with the world. Isn't it cute? Step 2, upload that video to your branded YouTube channel. On that YouTube page, make sure you fill out the metadata, create a thumbnail, and write a real description. Now the key here is to keep that video unlisted for the time being, because in the next step, we're about to follow up to finish the loop. Step 3, make that video the focal point of your blog post. If you wrote a script, convert that script into text on the blog post. Google can crawl that information. And if you didn't create a script, YouTube auto-transcribes your video. The key here is to clean it up, add a proper H1 title, break into H2 sections, and embed the new video at the top of the page. Personally, I host my videos outside of YouTube. That way I can control the branding and X out any kind of commercials. So now your page has a video, structured text, and real headings. This is really powerful. Now here's where it even gets better. Link your YouTube video URL inside your blog post. Then go back to YouTube and link the blog post URL in the description. This is called cross-linking, and it's a very strong SEO strategy. Now you're closing the loop. And that there is the video trifecta. Now switch that YouTube video from unlisted to public. Why does this work? Google now sees your YouTube video, your article, and your website all coming from the same creator. Now you're building that authority. Every time you do this, you repeat that process, your EEAT grows. Now here's a little bit of a bonus level for this. Use JSON LD. There's an object there called same as. This is where you link together your YouTube channel, your website, your LinkedIn, all your other socials. Now Google sees you as one entity. Now that you've filled in that same as object, set your page's schema type to VideoObject. There are lots of valuable things you can add to this object. This also tells Google in a structured way that there is a video on this page. You're not hoping that Google figures it out. You're explicitly labeling it. Now your page becomes eligible to appear in video search results, rich results with thumbnails, and sometimes even key moments. This is not a trick. This is just structured clarity. You don't need to be an influencer to have video work for you. You just need a system. Video, blog, structured data. That's how authority compounds. And if you want some help building that system, I offer free website and content consultations. Let's just make sure your digital presence is working as hard as you are.